Okay, guys, I'm going to be out today. I need you to go through and complete these notes and then follow all the directions that you have on your calendar, please. All right, a rational number is any number that can be written as a fraction. Remember, whole numbers can be written as a fraction of 3 over 1, so that works out. So it's still a rational number. Now, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be changing decimals to percents to fractions, percents to decimals and fractions to decimals and percents. So when we look at percent means out of 100. So as we go through, 3/100ths is 3 out of 100. As we go look at the decimal, it's the same thing as a fraction. 3/100ths, that's its place value. It gets changed over to the fraction. Now, percent meaning out of 100, 3/100ths is 3%. So when we're looking at the decimal, to change it from a decimal to a percent, we move it 2 decimal places to the right. So we move it from 0.03, moving it 2 places to the right, becomes 3%. Now, since percent means out of 100, when we change 75%, same thing as saying 75 over 100. When we look at 75/100ths, it's the same thing as 0.75. Now that obviously works when it is over 100, but when it isn't, there are other options that we can do. When we look at 67/100ths, that's 67%. When we look at 67%, the decimals here, we move it 2 places to the left, and we get 67/100ths. Okay? I will go over this with you a lot more tomorrow when we come back in, and a little bit more during X time tomorrow as well, just so that we can make sure that we get caught up. Now, Station 2 is your foldable. You should have one purple sheet and one pink sheet. What we're going to do is you need to fold the purple sheet along the black lines. Try and do it as nicely as you can so that you see all these come up. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to cut these all out, and there is a definition in words and an example in numbers. So as you can see, I rewrite the percent over 100 and simplify. So which one of these on the opposite side takes a percent, puts it over 100, and then simplifies? Okay. So that would be percent to fraction. So you would cut these out and paste them in the right spot. You need to take your time with it and get it done because you're going to be able to use this on your quizzes and tests. All right? Now, please follow the directions and be good. And I will see you guys tomorrow.